You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast, the show that unpacks your biggest questions about moving overseas. Today, we're answering those questions. Question 1. How early should I start planning my international move? The ideal answer, as early as possible. At least 3 to 6 months in advance gives you time to gather documents, get quotes, choose your shipping method, and navigate custom paperwork. If you're moving during peak summer months or to a destination with long transit times like Asia or Australia, early planning is even more critical. Question 2. What shipping options do I have? At SDC, we offer sea freight, FCL and LCL shipping, great for most household moves. Air freight, fast and ideal for sensitive or smaller shipments. Vehicle shipping in containers when shipped with your household goods. Each mode has pros and cons depending on your timeline, budget, and the nature of your goods. Not sure which to choose? Our moving coordinators will help you decide what's right for your situation. Question 3. Can I track my shipment? Absolutely. We offer real-time tracking tools, so you always know where your belongings are, whether in port, in transit, or on final delivery. It's part of how we give you peace of mind every step of the way. Question 4. What if something gets damaged or lost? It's rare, but it does happen. That's why we offer 2 types of moving insurance. Total loss coverage for catastrophic loss. All risk insurance for door-to-door protection, covering damages as well. We recommend insuring anything of value, especially fragile or high-end items. Question 5. Do I have to do my own packing? You can, but we highly recommend letting SDC's professional packing team handle it. Our team uses internationally approved materials and techniques, which also qualify your shipment for all risk insurance coverage. If you pack on your own, certain coverage options may not be available. Question 6. What countries do you ship to? We ship virtually anywhere in the world, with common destinations including UK, France, Germany, Spain, and other European nations, Australia, New Zealand, and Asian Pacific countries, South Africa, Canada, Mexico, and more. Thanks to our global network of trusted agents, we provide door-to-door service almost anywhere. Question 7. Do you offer temporary storage? Yes, and not just in the US. We offer climate-controlled storage at origin and destination. This is perfect for clients who need flexibility between leaving their old home and moving into a new one abroad. Do you have more questions? Or just a phone call or click away? Whether you're relocating for work, retiring abroad, or moving your family for a fresh start, SDC International Shipping is here to simplify every step. Get started today at sdcinternationalshipping.com or call us 877-339-0267. Let's make your move seamless and stress-free.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.